Good evening, beloved listeners. Welcome to our nightly journey into the realm of imagination. Are you prepared to embark on a wondrous adventure through the pages of tonight's tale? Episode 1: Twinkle's Epic Space Journey. Once upon a time, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, there twinkled a tiny star named Twinkle. Among the countless stars in the galaxy, Twinkle often felt insignificant, her light barely a flicker in the grand tapestry of the universe. But deep within her, there burned a desire for something more, an urge to explore beyond her familiar corner of the sky. One serene night, as Twinkle gazed out into the celestial abyss, she witnessed a magnificent sight. A shooting star streaked across the heavens, leaving a trail of shimmering stardust in its wake. Inspired by the fleeting beauty, Twinkle closed her eyes and whispered a wish into the void. "I wish for an adventure," she murmured, her voice barely audible amidst the cosmic symphony. To her astonishment, her wish was granted. In an instant, Twinkle found herself hurtling through space, propelled by an unseen force towards the unknown reaches of the universe. As she journeyed through the cosmos, she marveled at the wonders that surrounded her: majestic galaxies swirling with vibrant hues, nebulae ablaze with ethereal light, and distant planets shrouded in mystery. Yet amidst the awe-inspiring sights, Twinkle couldn't shake the nagging doubt that gnawed at her core. Was she truly capable of embarking on such a grand adventure? Could a small star like her make a difference in the vastness of space? But just as doubt threatened to engulf her, Twinkle encountered a companion unlike any other, a spirited comet named Yuki, whose luminous tail shimmered with hues of blue and silver. With Yuki by her side, Twinkle's fears began to fade as they embarked on their epic journey together. Their travels took them to the farthest reaches of the galaxy, where they witnessed the birth of newborn planets and the fiery demise of aging stars. They traversed through dazzling nebulae, where clouds of gas and dust swirled in mesmerizing patterns, painting the cosmos with hues of emerald green and sapphire blue. Throughout their adventures, Twinkle and Yuki forged a bond that transcended the vastness of space, finding solace in each other's company amidst the infinite expanse. And as they journeyed homeward, guided by the distant glow of familiar constellations, Twinkle realized that her true strength lay not in her size, but in the light that burned within her, a light that illuminated the darkness and brought warmth to the cold expanse of space. As they continued their journey, Twinkle came to understand that the vastness of space held not only wonders, but also forgiveness. She learned that mistakes were inevitable, even in the grandest of galaxies, and that it was okay to stumble along the way. For just as the stars had their beginnings, so too did they have their ends. And in the end, what mattered most was the journey itself. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Twinkle and Yuki returned to their celestial home, greeted by the familiar embrace of their fellow stars. And as Twinkle resumed her place in the night sky, she knew that her epic journey had forever changed her, filling her with a sense of wonder and adventure that would burn bright for all eternity. And so, as she twinkled in her spot in the sky, surrounded by the comforting glow of her starry companions, Twinkle whispered a silent thank you to the cosmos for granting her the greatest adventure of all, the journey to discover herself. Thank you for listening to this bedtime story. Sweet dreams, dear listeners, as you drift off into a world of dreams inspired by tonight's story. Until we meet again for another enchanting tale, may the night embrace you with its gentle whispers